You just do a thing. There's just another thing, just a thing, that is practice. Practice, 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 practice. You're not going to do anything, just do the practice. Whatever you want, just do the practice. There are many persons who want to speak English, but they do not have confidence to speak English. They have a lot of things to know, either they know the knowledge of grammar or not, doesn't matter. But they want to speak English, but they cannot because of confidence. They do not have the confidence to speak English. You know what, buddy? There are many persons who are even the good speaker or not. Every single person has problem. They face problem. Okay, where our confidence level gets down, that is called insult. We feel that if we speak wrong, so what would people think about us? We would get insulted, and we do not try to speak English. As I mentioned, the biggest thing, that is practice. Just practice, 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 and practice, nothing else. Don't do anything, just initiate something. Just initiate something. Just lost yourself in English. Just lost yourself. Speak whatever you want. Speak whatever you want. Speak it. It is either wrong or right, doesn't matter. Just speak. No one can speak English fluently without committing any grammar mistake. No one. You're not going to do anything. Just focus on yourself. Just speak and speak and speak and speak. Get up with speak. Dream with speak. Taking bath with speak. Eating with speak. Just speak and speak and speak. Nothing else. Don't do anything. Just speak. Nothing else. If you love English, English will love you too. Definitely. It depends on you, how much hard work you do. Whatever you do, you would get that particular and biggest result. It depends totally on you, totally on you. Just practice on yourself, just a practice, just speak. Just speak, nothing else, just speak.